Hey guys, it's Lakrisha. I'm going to give you all a short tutorial on how to do latch hooking on dreadlocks. So if you have any questions or just want to comment, please feel free. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, we have a list of things right here that you need. You need clips to hold hair out of your way. You can either use those or the duck bills. And you need a rat tail comb for easing parting. And also, you have your latch hook that you can also purchase at any kind of hobby store. I got mine at Michael's. I think it was under $5. And then also you have your crochet needle. Notice it has a little hook on here. This is strictly for when you have loose hairs within the dread. You insert it in the dread, grab the loose hair, and pull it back into the dread. And I got a whole pack of these, I think for like $4 at the same place, which is Michael's. So just take a look, get your utensils together. Like I said, if y'all have any questions, feel free to comment. Next step, after you have your client draped properly and you've done your consultation, you bring them to the shampoo bowl and wash and condition their hair and make sure you have it extremely clean. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll meet you guys back later. Okay, once you have the hair washed and cleaned and conditioned, you part off, start with your first dread, and I always give it a little twist to collect all the new growth hair that might have fell out of the dread. And we're gonna go this way, wrap, and you always want to make sure that lever catches. Pull it through, give it a little twist, go down, catch, pull it through, this way, pull it through. And he has a lot of new growth, so you might have to do it maybe 2 or 3 times just until tight. We're gonna repeat. And once you get the hang of it, you'll go faster and faster with it. It's just an easier way, and sometimes you might get them caught like I just did, but it's easy removal. It's just a hook. And back up through the middle, pull it down. And as you can see, it's tight at the root. It lasts longer. No product. And that's it. And this is my finished product.